Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a coming soon landing page on Shopify. The method 1, use your password page. Click Online Store. Then click Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Password Protection section. Check the box to enable password. Enter a password and simple message for your visitors. Click on Save. Next, open the theme editor. At the top of the page, select the password page and use the blocks on the left-hand side to further customize your coming soon page. You can add images, text, and more elements. Overall, this way of building your coming soon page for Shopify will give you a functional but somewhat limited landing page. If you'd like more control over the page's appearance, you'll need to edit the template file for your password page. To do this, you'll either need some coding knowledge or hire someone who does. To locate the password page template, go to Online Store, Themes, Actions, and Edit Code. Scroll through the template until you find the password.liquid template. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.